When International IDEA was founded in Stockholm in 1995, the future of democracy looked bright. But a generation later, democracy faces an existential threat. Polarization, corruption, disinformation, and the rise of authoritarianism are weakening democracies, while inequalities, technological transformation, and climate change mean democracies must adapt and act now. International IDEA is an intergovernmental organisation that protects and advances democracy worldwide with the support of our member states, from Sweden to South Africa, Australia to India, and Chile to Canada. We use research, data, and comparative knowledge to analyse the health of democracies, and we work with everyone from grassroots organisations to national and subnational governments to the EU and even the United Nations. We nurture democracy, building strong constitutions, supporting the integrity of electoral processes, encouraging the political participation of women and young people, and making parliaments more efficient at serving democracy. In Mozambique, we're reinforcing the credibility of the electoral process. In Nepal, we're helping to build stronger local governance. In Chile, we're supporting inclusive constitution making. In Europe, we're helping emerging democracies strengthen their digital oversight. And International IDEA is a UN observer, contributing to multilateral debates and championing sustainable development goals. The current global crises offer us an opportunity to revitalise democracy, to make democracy more sustainable, more inclusive, and better equipped to address the challenges of the future. Because only democracies can build the trust that enables societies to withstand crises. Only democracies can empower the disenfranchised. Only democracies can scrutinise public institutions. Only democracies can guarantee our fundamental rights and our human dignity. We need to defend democracy. We need to revitalise democracy. We need to empower democracy. Democracy. It's an international idea. It's your idea.